Speaking of skimpy clothing, a perfect body. Thanks to the latest advances in liposuction, doctors say it's easier to achieve than ever. But is America's new crash diet of choice really a good idea? HealthWatch 5 medical reporter Dr. Michael Resnick has some answers for us. Doctor?
Well, Diana, liposuction is now the most performed cosmetic surgery in the country. And if it's used as a body contouring technique, something we call micro liposuction, then it can be very successful.
Janet Lovelace, age 40, had her daughter 15 years ago, but she hasn't been happy with her abdomen ever since.
I used to have a flat stomach, so once again I want to be able to have a flat, stomach and a better appearance in my clothing. So that's why I'm having it done.
So she consulted Dr. Hall of Infinity Cosmetic Associates about a micro liposuction.
We're going to put you on the table and we're going to anesthetize the area, infiltrate with all the fluid that we talked about to get things nice and numb so that you don't feel anything during the procedure. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and suction out the stuff you don't want.
Janet likes what she hears and agrees to the procedure.
All right, I'm ready to go.
But is the procedure safe? Well, the risks of bleeding, infection, and embolism are actually quite low.
So let's watch some of Janet's surgery, done under local anesthesia.
So we go through and remove the deep layers of fat first, and then we come up and get a little bit closer to the skin. Pretty comfortable? Mm-hmm. Good.
You'll notice in this micro technology, the cannula is only the diameter of a pencil lead, and it's inserted like a needle, creating several quick-healing puncture holes instead of incisions. Then it's moved back and forth in a fan-like pattern to remove the fat.
This procedure is the safest way to perform lipo. It's done entirely under local anesthesia. The recovery time is quicker. Most patients return to work in 24 to 48 hours. And we use very, very fine instruments and fine incision sites, so minimal chance of scarring.
But remember, this procedure is not a weight reduction technique or a substitute for dieting.
I have never been able to create a flat stomach with what I'm doing right now. So by having this procedure done, I'm hoping at least for that area to appear better. And I know that I'll have to continue to always work on that area. So I'm not expecting a miracle. I'm just expecting to look better.
So the new micro liposuction technique is a great way to refine your body as long as you have realistic goals. Let me show you what I mean with a few before and after pictures from Dr. Hall's practice. First, you're seeing an abdomen here. If you have about that much weight to lose in the abdomen, you're going to look good, as you see on the screen. Next, we're going to go to a lady who had her hips and thighs recontoured, shall we say, and again, a good result. Next, we're looking at an arm that was done. Interestingly, a body part that's very often requested, probably because of the great result. And finally, we have a man who wanted to lose some of his abdomen and love handles. He got his wish. So, a good technique, but I got to warn you, it's a little expensive. It costs around, well, $3,000 to $4,000, maybe even $5,000, depending on how many body parts you want to have done. I'm Dr. Michael Resnick, News 5.